In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DoubleClick and Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the page that contains your Draw.io diagram while you're in editing mode. Once you can see the diagram on the page, click to select it. When you do, a floating toolbar will appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This opens a pop-up window with the diagram editor, which is where all of these double-click actions take place. Now that you're inside the diagram editor, let's go over the different ways double-click can speed up your work. First, you can use double-click on an empty area of the blank canvas to quickly insert a shape. Just double-click anywhere there's open space, and a quick selection box will appear. This lets you instantly choose a common shape, such as a rectangle, a circle, or a process box, and place it exactly where you clicked. The shape will use your default styling, which makes this a fast and convenient way to build diagrams without constantly reaching for the side panel. Another very useful action is editing text inside a shape. To do this, simply double-click on any shape, like a rectangle, circle, or process box. As soon as you do, the label becomes editable. You can type the text you want directly into the shape, then press enter when you're done, or just click outside the shape to apply the change. This is one of the quickest ways to update labels while you're building or revising a diagram. You can also edit text on connectors in the same way. If you have an arrow or line connecting shapes, double-click directly on that connector. This allows you to add a new label or edit an existing one. It's especially helpful when you want to clarify the relationship between steps, decisions, or processes in your diagram. One more powerful shortcut involves duplicating and connecting shapes. When you hover over an existing shape on the canvas, you'll see blue direction arrows appear around it. If you double-click one of those arrows, Draw.io automatically creates a duplicate of that shape in the direction you selected. At the same time, it connects the new shape to the original with a connector line. The newly created shape is then highlighted so you can immediately start typing inside it. This is incredibly helpful when you're creating flowcharts or process diagrams and want to build them quickly in sequence. And that's it. Those are the main ways to use DoubleClick and Draw.io for Confluence and Jira to work faster and edit more efficiently.